In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two shapes into a single shape layer in Photoshop. This is a really useful technique when you want to simplify your layers, keep your document organized, and build custom designs that are easier to edit later. Whether you're creating icons, logos, buttons, or other graphic elements, combining shapes can make your workflow much cleaner and more efficient. To get started, select the Shape tool and draw your first shape on the canvas. This will be the base of your design, so just place it wherever it makes sense for your layout. After that, create a second shape and position it wherever you'd like. At this stage, you don't need to worry too much about getting everything perfectly aligned, because you'll still be able to adjust the shapes before combining them fully. Once both shapes are created, go over to the Layers panel. Hold Shift, then click each shape layer so both of them are selected at the same time. This is important because Photoshop needs both shape layers selected before you can merge them together. With both layers selected, press Ctrl+E to merge them into a single shape layer. This helps reduce clutter in your Layers panel and gives you one layer to work with instead of two separate ones. Even though the layers are now merged, you can still adjust the individual shape paths inside that shape layer. Next, make sure the merged shape layer is selected and keep the Shape tool active. Then hold Ctrl and click on one of the shapes to select its path. This allows you to isolate that specific shape within the merged layer, so you can move it around and position it exactly where you want in relation to the other shape. This step is especially helpful if you're trying to create a more polished composition or line things up more precisely. Once you're happy with the placement, go to the options bar at the top of Photoshop and click Combine Shapes. This merges the paths into one unified shape, which means the two separate shapes now behave as a single custom shape. Now that the result is one shape, you can easily change the fill color, stroke or other shape properties from the options bar or the properties panel whenever you like. That makes future edits much faster and more convenient. Combining shapes like this is a great way to create custom designs while keeping your workflow clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing these Photoshop techniques to build your skills with confidence and unlock even more creative possibilities.